The Motorcycle Marine and Outdoor Power Technician program, it's a one-year technical diploma. Students are learning small engines, and then we go into basic marine outboards, then snowmobiles and ATVs, and then we get into inboards, and then also motorcycles during the summer.
Typically we do a lecture in the morning for about a half hour, 45 minutes, and then once we get done that, then we come in here into our lab area and then start on whatever our labs are for the day or for the week. And then typically we have a partner, which is great because some of us are better than others at taking apart a lot of these engines and stuff and troubleshooting, so having that camaraderie kind of works out for the benefit of both of us.
A lot of new updated equipment. We're able to run the units in the facility. Also, we have a dyno that we can run the units on, test units, see what horsepower they have, and also we have an outboard test tank in the back where we can put outboards in and actually run them.
The school offers a lot of resources that I have taken advantage of, and it's been helpful a lot to be seeing it through videos, hearing it, reading about it, and then just being hands-on.
After students graduate from this program, most students can be service writers, anywhere from parts managers to parts people. A lot of them will get to be technicians. Good thing with this program is students can learn what they want to work on and benefit from this program when they get done.
When I first started this course, I was completely interested in motorcycles, but now I find it to be more of a hobby, and I think my career choice will be with snowmobiles and ATVs for sure.
Because small engine repair is a consistent thing that's going to be out there.
There's many jobs out there. Very easy for them to find jobs in this field.
Coming in here not knowing anything about any of it to where I am now, where I'm understanding the ins and outs of an engine, how they operate, the fuel lines, and how coolant works has been all mind-opening.
Pop that out and then you're just trying to swing over.
Obviously meeting CJ the instructor, I mean he's been doing this for a long time, so he's right there when you need him and he keeps track of everything we do.
My favorite part of this job is just to get to know the student, to see how much they grow from start to finish.
I wanted to do this for a long time because I have motorcycles, boats, and everything else that this whole program is based around, so I wanted to eventually open up my own business.
Big thing with this program is you have to remember we're working on fun in here. Every day you get to work on snowmobiles, ATVs, side-by-sides, boats. And when you get out in the field, you get to work on things that customers love to have.
I'm a service technician in the service department at the Harley-Davidson dealership. One of the best choices I've made, and it's a very worthwhile program. I'd go back if I needed to. Probably I'd go back just for fun too. It was a great program.
I would recommend it to any friends or family that would want to come into that atmosphere.
I would definitely encourage to take the opportunity to do it. The entire experience, just the fact that I'm here, getting as far as I am, it's been a complete 180. Definitely worth coming here.